If you're looking to boost the views and engagement for YouTube channel in 2023, YouTube playlists are the way to go. They can be discovered in suggested videos, on your channel homepage, playlist page, above your video title, featured in your video description, linked in a card or end screen, ranked in YouTube search or Google search, or pinned to the top of your comments. In this video, you'll learn how to create a perfect playlist, how to add videos to your playlist, how to optimize your playlist so it gets a ton of views, how to share and promote your playlists, and learn the best practices so you can gain maximum visibility for your channel and videos. Why create playlists for YouTube channel? It's a great way to categorize your content so viewers can binge watch related videos together. When they watch one video in a playlist, the next one automatically begins playing. They also help to increase engagement and watch time because instead of just watching one video, they'll watch several videos in a row. When someone watches a video in an official playlist, YouTube will recommend the related videos from that playlist. When viewers watch multiple videos from your channel in one session, there's a higher probability that YouTube will suggest those videos to a wider audience. YouTube says, our goal is to get people to watch more videos that they enjoy so they can come back to YouTube regularly. Suggested videos is a personalized collection of videos that an individual viewer may be interested in watching next based on prior activity or past watch history. As you can see, these videos appear on the right side of the watch page, below the video on the mobile app, and as the next video in autoplay. 75% of YouTube's traffic comes from suggested traffic. That's why YouTube playlists are very powerful. Here's how to create and optimize a perfect playlist so it gets tons of views. Log into YouTube Studio, click on Create at the top right, click on New Playlist, give your playlist a title, how to create engaging YouTube videos with ChatGPT. Keep in mind your playlist title will appear on your channel homepage as well as above your video title on the video watch page. Select visibility, so you have the choice public, private, or unlisted. I'm going to make this public. Click Create. Click on your Content tab, then click on Playlists. Hover over the pencil that says Edit on YouTube. Currently it has no videos and no description. Click on Edit Description. How to use ChatGPT to make engaging videos that get more views. Click Save. Keep in mind your playlist description will appear on your channel homepage under the playlist title. Click on the three dots. Click Add Videos. Select the related videos that you want to add to your playlist. I'm going to select this one and this one for now. Click Add Videos. To add a video, click on the three dots. Click Add Videos. Select the video from the list, or you can search all YouTube or paste the URL in the box here. So if I select this video, click Add Videos, I can see it's added to my playlist. If I click on the three dots, it says Add to Queue, Save to Watch Later, Save to Playlist, Remove from this playlist, Share it. I can move it to the top, move to bottom. I can also choose this video's thumbnail to set as playlist thumbnail. Now you can see the thumbnail's changed. If I want to delete this video, hover over the three dots, click Remove. I can also sort these videos by just dragging and dropping them. Click on the three dots, click on Playlist Settings. You can allow embedding, add new videos to the top of the playlist so you can check that. Set as official series for this playlist, check that. This means if somebody's watching a video in a playlist, YouTube will recommend the other videos in the playlist. Now if I click Play All, here's my first video in the playlist, and here's the other videos in the playlist. Keep in mind that it may take a while for a clickable playlist link to appear under your video, because YouTube is still rolling this out. You'll not only get a clickable playlist link under your video, but if you go into your description and scroll down, under chapters, you'll see Featured Playlist. Then if you click on that, it'll go to your playlist page. This means that viewers don't have to leave your video watch page to click on your playlist and watch related videos, leading to more views. Where should you share your playlist link to expose your content to a wider audience? Create sections on your channel homepage containing playlists. Add it to your video description so viewers will watch more than one video. Pin it to the top of your comments so when viewers go to leave a comment, they'll see your playlist link. Link to a related playlist on the end screen so viewers will continue their viewing session. Share your playlist link on social media sites to expose your content to a wider audience. You can also embed your playlist on your blog to increase the chances of your playlist getting found in YouTube search and Google search. Here are some best practices for using playlists to boost your channel's visibility. Create a compelling title and description because it'll appear on your channel homepage and it will help your playlist get discovered in the search engines. Choose your best thumbnail from the list of videos in your playlist so it stands out in the search engines. Set your playlist as an official series so the related videos in that playlist will be recommended by YouTube. Keep in mind you must have a verified account to use series playlists, and a video cannot appear in more than one series playlist. Place your best playlist at the top of your channel homepage because this is what first-time visitors see first and will encourage them to subscribe to your channel. Place your most popular videos at the beginning of your playlist because these videos have proven to attract a lot of traffic. Avoid placing too many videos on your playlist because I find that most viewers only watch the first few videos in that playlist. Before you create a playlist, think about a series of videos based upon a specific theme. Then make sure those videos flow into each other. When you link to a playlist in the end screen or end card, make sure you link to the whole playlist URL instead of to a single video. If you're a small channel or just getting started on YouTube, I highly recommend adding videos from popular channels to your playlist. Make sure you place one of your own videos at the beginning of your playlist so you get credit for that viewing session. This will help boost your channel's visibility and speed up its growth. If you want to increase engagement and watch time on YouTube videos, watch this video on the screen right now titled, "Do this trick to keep them watching your videos."